Join me as I dive into the world of matcha tea and challenge myself to experience its life-changing benefits in just 7 days. Matcha tea, a vibrant green powder rooted in Japanese culture for centuries, is gaining popularity for good reason. This powerful tea offers a wide range of benefits that can truly transform your daily routine. In today's world, where stress, fatigue, and lack of focus are so common, matcha provides a healthier alternative to coffee and energy drinks. It offers a steady, sustained energy boost without the crash that often follows caffeine. By incorporating matcha into your daily routine, you can begin to eliminate those dreaded afternoon slumps and feel more energized. It's packed with antioxidants, boosts metabolism, enhances focus, and helps you stay sharp throughout the day. Beyond physical health, matcha also promotes mental clarity and reduces stress, making it a game changer for both the body and mind. One inspiring story comes from Sarah, a busy working mom who struggled with exhaustion. Despite drinking coffee, she couldn't find the energy or motivation she needed. After adding matcha to her daily routine, Sarah experienced significant boost in energy and focus. She even started her own business on the side, amazed at how much more motivated she felt. Her story is just one example of how matcha can positively transform both physical and mental health. To recap, here are 7 surprising benefits of matcha: increased energy, enhanced focus, improved metabolism, reduced stress, and more. By making matcha a part of your daily life, you can start to experience these powerful effects for yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of matcha tea. If you've had your own experiences with matcha, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more insights on healthy lifestyle choices.